that we get to celebrate with our siblings, basically our brothers, and this is so good. So I really love celebrating this festival and getting ready. Finally, my video is here and I'm shooting and I'm going to post it, and I'm so happy because for past 2 weeks there has been issue with everything. So be it my camera, be it lights, so everything has been going so wrong that I was not able to shoot and get to you guys, but finally I'm here. Let's begin guys with today's video. So in this video I'm basically going to show you guys my makeup and how I would dress up for Raksha Bandhan. So I know I'm a little late guys, but okay, I think I could make up for that. And first thing I'm using is the lightest brown shade, which is actually meant for concealing your under eye dark circles or under eye areas, from the Nykaa color corrector palette. And I'm going to apply it onto my lids, onto my T-zone, onto my chin, and then I'm going to use a sponge in order to blend everything up. Yeah, that's pretty much. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the yellow color, which is supposedly used for highlighting all your areas, from the color corrector palette, and I'm going to apply it onto my under eye area and to everywhere where I think I need to highlight. So basically I always apply my yellow color corrector under the eye area because I just want my eyes to pop up, and I always want my eyes to be one thing that comes out very clearly in my makeup. Once done, we are switching over to our foundation routine. Now I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation for a while now guys. The shade I'm using is Ratan, and what you need to do is you need to apply dots of it all over your face, and then you can take your sponge and blend everything super quickly up. Yep. Now once you're done with that, we are going to the Nykaa color corrector palette one last time, and this time I am picking up the brown shade. Now this is for contouring basically, and I'm going to apply dots of it on all those areas which I'm going to contour, so which is basically the side of my nose, under my chin area, on my cheekbones. Yeah, that's it. And you have to take your sponge and you have to blend everything up. Now you are done with your color corrector palette. You can keep it away guys. Next I'm using the Revolution makeup palette for the eyeshadow. Now I'm using this pink eyeshadow, and recently I learned guys that you have to actually slowly build up your color into your crease. So I'm still learning makeup and I'm not the pro at it, so I just learned and I'm working on that principle. So I started from the outer crease of my eye, and then I started building up the color towards the inside of my eye, and yeah, that's how you do it. Sounds very technical guys, but this is how you do it so that the color actually comes out really nice and it does not look like you have caked up everything onto your eye. Now I'm not going to use a lot of shadows today. I'm going to use this pink shadow, and once I'm done I'm going to use this glittery pink shadow, which is lighter than the shadow I've just now used, and I'm going to pat it onto my lid. So it's glittery and it's shiny, and when you see the overall look, it looks really nice. It actually pops up your eyes. And yeah, next I'm going to take my blending brush all over again. Now this brush is not the huge blending brush, it's a very teeny tiny blending brush meant for your eyeshadows. If you don't have guys, you must buy it. It's very helpful. Really, it's helpful. Next I'm going to use my blue kajal, and I'm going to use a very again teeny tiny flat brush in order to smudge all that up so that the liner or the kajal basically looks seamless and it blends into my eyeshadow. And lastly I'm going to use my eyeliner, which is from Rimmel. It's a black liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to shape up my eyes. So that's pretty much for my eyeshadow look. I know it sounds too much, but these are only 4 steps. You have to use 2 shadows, 1 kajal and 1 liner. You would be done guys. And yeah, do not forget your mascara. So once done, this would bring up your eyeshadow look. And yeah, now once done guys, we're going to move to the last part of our makeup, which is using a bronzer. So I'm going to bronze up my face, so just make sure you're doing it in the more kind of upward direction so that your face lifts up. And yeah, I'm not going to give that makeup preaching kind of thing in today's video. I think I should save that for some other video. So I'm just going to use my blush, and yeah, so I've been using this bronzer from NYX, and I've been using this blush palette of Makeup Revolution for a long time now, and I'm looking forward to buy something new, but I've just not been able to pick something out. I've not been able to just pinpoint on a good product. So if you guys know some good blush or some good bronzer, so please let me know in the comment box down below guys. guys, because I really want to buy one. Now I'm using the Nykaa Game On lip color, which is my current favorite. It's nude and it's perfect for the makeup. I think it's a perfect lip color. I really like this one. And yeah, I have hard time liking the lip colors, but this one is like my complete favorite. And this completes up your makeup, guys. This is what you need to do. And next we're going to switch up to some jewelry, and yeah, that's pretty much my Raksha Bandhan makeup look. And I hope you guys are enjoying this, and we are all set ready. And make sure, guys, if you're not subscribed to my beautiful family, you do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And this was Shivani saying, signing off. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.